What drove you to see a doctor in the first place?
The first clue actually was my back, was my lower back. And it was gradual. It happened slowly from my back. It slowly graduated down my hip, down to my knees. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't barely walk. I couldn't bend over. 3 different doctors all told me I needed spinal fusion surgery. But it just wasn't sitting right with me.
Were they spine specialists?
Yes.
Did they ever examine your hips?
No. I was on major pain meds, and I don't believe in pain medication.
Like what?
I was on Vicodin, I was on Tramadol, and now I'm on nothing.
What are the things you really envision yourself doing in the future?
Walk again,
Right.
and to dance again, but my ultimate dream is to be able to ride horses again. Because
Horses?
that's my passion.